Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can record a screen at the Samsung Galaxy S21 in the Fan Edition. Okay, for that we will need the settings because there's a built-in screen recorder already, so you don't need an extra app and so on. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and here are much more icons by the way. And one of them is now the screen recorder. So tap on screen recorder. And for the very first time, we will ask you for a permission that has access to the storage and so on. So you just have to tap on allow. And later you will have this view here, and you can set up the sound source. If you just want to have no sounds, or if you want to have just the media sound, so the sound of the apps and so on, or if you want to have next to the media sound also the microphone in case you want to explain something and so on. And the last point is also nice here to show taps and touches. That means if the persons who watch the video should know where you have touched the smartphone and so on, so the screen of the smartphone, then it will give some animations at these places. So yeah, enable it if you need to have it. And then after, just go here on start recording, and you will see a little countdown, and then your screen recording has started. So you see already here the little bar, so it becomes almost invisible, but it still disturbs you. You can put it on another position here and so on. Or if it really disturbs you, you can go here on the arrow, and it goes here on the side, like a sidebar. Now, if you want to have it back again, so just swipe it in here, and you will have it back. So, and if you want to highlight something now, there's a little pen here, and now you can draw something inside, or you can highlight something, and so on. But you cannot navigate now here on the screen anymore, so that means that if you want to switch pages or go further in the game and so on, it doesn't work. So you need to remove here the pen, and yeah, now you can navigate and so on again. And if you want that people should see you during the recordings, so just tap on this one here, and then the phone camera is activated and people could see you then as well if you want to explain something. This symbol, I think you noticed already, this you can pause the video and continue the same video again, or the last one is to stop the video in general. Okay, there's some more options here, so just scroll on here, scroll on a second time, and now if you tap here on the written words screen recorder, you have the chance also to set up the video quality. If you want to have the highest resolution, so full HD, HD, or just SD, you could change it here. Please mind that your storage is limited, so if you're doing a lot of screen recordings, I would recommend to you to take a lower resolution here. Okay, and some stuff for the selfie cam, we have here details, because you can set up the selfie video size. So if you enable that people can see you and so on, you could enlarge it a bit and so on. Yeah, and where to find the screencast after, of course, here at the gallery. And yeah, here at the pictures you can see them, of course, but what is very nice, at the category albums, we have an own folder just for our screen recordings. So then you will have a better overview and so on. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.